You want to achieve that perfect 850 credit score. Watch on, and I'll tell you exactly how to get there. Hi, Ella Gurfinkel, Senior Loan Officer with Fairway Independent Mortgage, and we're talking 850 credit score. So first of all, let me start off by telling you that, by the way, that's more of a vanity project than anything else for most people, because frankly, 850 really has no bearing. If you're in the high 700s, you're already golden. Used to be that 740 was tops, now it's really more like 780, but still, 850 is nowhere on paper. Now, if you really do want the vanity 850 credit score, here's what you do. You need to know what's on your credit report. So check your credit report on the regular, and one of the places to do that is for free, by the way, without the scores, just the credit itself, is annualcreditrepair.com. That's a federally mandated website that the bureaus are supposed to make available to everybody to check their credit, the accuracy and validity of what's on your credit report, to watch out for fraud and watch out for misreportings against your good name. So that's your step one. Your step two is understanding what goes into that vanity 850 credit score number. It's a combination of factors. It's your payment history, it's your payment utilization, it's your inquiries, it's your mix of credit, and it's your age of credit. Your payment history, believe it or not, that's only 30% of your score, maybe 35, depending on who you read, what you look at, etc. online. Either way, that's roughly only a third of your score. I'm not diminishing the fact that you need to be making your payments on time every time. There is absolutely no diminishing that fact by itself, because when you don't, that's a late payment. A late payment is a negative reporting, and that will not get you to that coveted 850 score. Next item is credit utilization. What does that mean? That is how much your credit balances are, outstanding balances are, on each one of your outstanding credit card bills. We're only talking credit cards here for utilization against your credit limit. The higher the percentage of utilization, the more it will affect your credit scores this way. So what do you want to do? You want to keep the credit utilization low. Used to be that you wanted to not use more than 30% of your credit limit. Your credit limit is 1,000. You don't want to spend over 300. Things have changed. You really want to keep that credit usage below $100 a month. Don't pay it off entirely, pay it to a couple of bucks. Rinse and repeat. Next one was credit mix, your credit composition. You want to have a healthy mix of credit being reported in your name, meaning credit cards, consumer loans, auto loans, etc. You don't want to be heavily swayed in one direction or the other. You don't want to have 20 credit cards and not a single installment loan, and vice versa. When you don't have any revolving debt, meaning credit cards, your credit score does suffer. Moving on, your credit inquiries. Credit inquiries are basically a sign that you are applying for more credit. More credit means propensity to spend more. You spend more, it means you could be going off the cliff financially. So keep those credit applications down. Lastly, length of credit. The one mistake I see the most on my clients' credit reports is once they pay a card off, they close it. Please don't. Because the older that credit line is, the older that credit card is, the more history it has. The more history translates into more points for your credit score. And again, that is probably the biggest mistake I've seen people make. There is one client in particular right now that I'm working with who went through, did everything we told him in paying the debts down, except for he took it a step off and closed those credit accounts. And now his credit score is higher than it used to be, but not where it needs to be to qualify for a mortgage, simply because he closed accounts in good standing at zero balance. And that, my friends, is how you achieve your perfect vanity dream 850 credit score. Talk to me in your comments. Tell me if you've done what I've told you about. If it has affected you negatively or positively, I still want to hear about it. And thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.